Hi students, today I am going to discuss the animation. So what the animation is nothing but animation is the technique of designing, drawing, making layouts and preparation of photographic series which are integrated into the multimedia and gaming products. So it is very clear, it is the process of the technique which makes the consider some designing part and integration of those designing with the help of the multimedia concept. Now animation refers to the movement on the screen of the display device created by displaying a sequence of still images. So up to the before animation, the computer graphics is used to computer system to create and manipulate the image which is displayed onto the screen. So whatever the image we are going to be created, so that image can be displayed onto the screen, that is up to the computer graphics. But here we can integrate some of the images together and form as an animation. That's why it is a technique to designing or drawing, making layouts and preparation of a photographic series which are integrated into the multimedia images. So animation includes all the visual changes on the screen display devices. So some of the animation visual changes are nothing but the first one is the change of shape. The image can be shape out. So that means the original image is the one, and we have to take some of the merits or the demerits. We automatically the image shape can be taken. Now you can observe this particular diagram. You can observe. So actually this is the only one diagram we have to be taken before creating the animation. So that means the image can be taken. So one of the shape A should be taken, one of the shape, and B is also one of the shape, C is also one of the shape, and D is also one of the shape, and E also one of the shape. Actually one image can be configured into different types of the shapes images. So this is the first criteria. So animation visualization factor in the first change is taken to the shaping manner, and you can observe some of the changes. So here also you can consider so you can consider this particular diagram. So change the size, so that the image size can be changed. Here you can observe in A to E some of the diagrams. Now the shape can be considered to the different images, so which can be formed. Now you may be observed. So this image and this image and this image and this image and this image. So you may be observed these images are completely different compared to the one by one. So the animation can be changes. So here in the definition of the computer, we take some of the manipulations. The manipulations are the operations, so which are operated on that particular image. So now you go through these particular images from A to E. All the images sizes may be the change. This is also configured with the help of the animation. So we will take one size of object or the one size of the image, and that image can be gradually changes. So either the size or the shape. In the previously the first one is the shape. And coming to the third one, so the change in color. The animation should be taken. So one of the activity, so which is taken the color changes. Now you can observe. So the first A can be considered the one color, the front end color and the background color. Here the fore color and the back end color. These two are the different one. So now you can observe the diagram A. So that image color may be the different compared to the B, and compared to the C, and compared to the D, and compared to the E. So these all images should be color should be changes. So we have to set it whatever we require the color. So that means the animation should be plays a prominent role or the key role. So in the visualization in the sense, the one image can be set it as a, suppose for example, if you consider the photographic, so our passports photograph or any other photography we have to be considered. So that photograph may be considered in the black and white or the color images or the light color or the dark color. So we can set it the color particular of that image. And similarly, we can also change the size also. So the size may be the decreased, size may be the increased. That is also possible with the help of the animation. The animation should be supported take the multimedia, and also the shape can be changes. So we have to take one position, that position may be changes. So that means it is possible. So in the case of the animation, now you have to observe change in the structure. So actually we can take the image as the triangle. So now you may be observed here. So A is the triangle here. That triangle can be rotated in any direction. So you can set it the number of directions here you can consider. So that means we can change the structure. So whatever the image can be rotated. So here for example, the image can be taken this particular A is in one image as a triangle. So you have to take one more shape, that the same thing we have to be converted into the next shape. The same shape will be converted into the next shape. The same will be converted into the next shape. The same will be converted into the next shape. That means you may be observed here the 5 different types of the structure can be configured. So this is also possible with the help of the animation. And coming to the change in angle also. In angle also is nothing but the rotation process. So the animation is used to create the image as a different rotation. A different rotation in the considered. So A should be considered. The image A should be considered in one angle, and the B should be considered to the another angle, and C can be another angle, and D can be another angle, and E can be the another angle. That means the 5 different angles should be taken place by using the animation factor. So we need to change the shape, and again so we need to change the factor of size, we need to change the factor of the color, and again we have to change the factor of the structure, and we have to change the factor of the angle also. Here angle should be taken in the different criteria. So now what are the applications areas of animation? So in the previous 5 different categories of the animation should be taken the key role. So whether it can change the shape or the color or the size or the angle, okay, or the size, whatever the case it is. So the animation can be used in a different applications. So we can use the animation in the education and the training. So because in the education factor, the simulation and aircraft resolution based, all these factors should be considered. So using this particular animation, suppose if you go to the case of the flight animation, every flight animation can be moved, or the projection or a different slope should be taken with the help of this animation only. And the second application of this animation is the entertainment. Nowadays we are seeing the pictures or the videos or the televisions or the video games, everything. So everything should be configured with the help of the animation only. Animation pictures are there, so we can create the characters through animation, and we can move this particular image. So what exactly the animation feature is nothing but, so we can rotate that particular picture, and we can move that picture in any direction in any way. So that means here the entertainment field, most of the animation should be used, can be used in the entertainment area. And the computer aided design, CAD design. So CAD design is nothing but, so some of the computer animation best application. This is one of the best application for the computer animation. So that is the computer aided and design. So it is generally referred as the CAD. One of the earlier application of the CAD was automobile designing. So basically, so where the CAD is used nothing but the computer aided design is basically used in the automobile area. So in the automobile area, so without animation, the designing will not be taken place and exactly. And the fourth one is the advertising. We know that the advertising is one of the most criteria in nowadays, because so in every role or every field, so before the product is released into the market, the advertisement is the most important. because whenever take the advertisement, so that the significant of that particular advertising applications are nothing but animation implementation. So advertisementing is nothing but this is the combinational factor of the different resources. So all the resources will be integrated or the combined, so with the help of the multimedia concept. And the last one is the presentation. So definitely the presentation is the key role. So when we present the mathematical notations or the scientific notations or the financial, so whatever the field we are going to be taken, so the presentation is the most important. So that is an effective way to represent an idea. So whatever the idea in our hands, that idea may be presented with the help of the animation only. So that is an effective manner. So the concept is the good concept. So definitely that concept may be released, that concept may be affected onto the screen, so with the help of the presentation. So these all are the applications of the animation. So here what the animation is nothing but the, so animation you have to be considered in the area of the created area and display the sequence of images and photographic images, and it is a one type of techniques, a technique which can be associated or integrated all the images with the help of the multimedia. So we can created some of the images, and we can change the shape of the images, and we can change the size of the images, and we can change the color of the images, and we can change this total structure of the images, and we can change the a complete angle. That means the complete rotation can be changes made by this particular animation with the help of the multimedia.